Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Mohammad Shoaib, and today we are doing debate here on a very amazing topic which is in the regard of monarchy and democracy. Which one is better? In my perception, democracy is better than the monarchy. Why? My first point is about the accountability of government. We can ask question to the government in democracy, but we cannot ask the question in monarchy. That's it.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Mohammad Ishan, and today we are debating here at Ideal Academy on a controversial topic, that is democracy versus monarchy. Which system is better? So, in my personal point of view, monarchy is better. And I would like to tell you about start with delays in decision. What happens in democracy, that there is a leader who is elected by the people, or all the leaders are elected by the people. They have different thoughts about a rule, they have different perception about a rule, about any law. So what do? They go to the parliament, they fight on that, they just argue on that. By this, what happens, the delay in decision takes place there. The decision which should be done within some hours, it takes days, and sometimes it is forgotten. No investigation is done on all those cases. Next thing, I would like to answer to Adiba, Junaid Malik, and many of the people who mentioned about we can raise our voice. We can raise our voice in democracy, but what about the monarchy? There is nothing. A monarch is just dictator, so nothing happens there. I would like to tell you, for your kind information, in your India, BPSC exam students, they were protesting, they were raising their voice, I would say. What happened with them? What your government, democracy, did with them? They were beaten, chilled water was thrown on them to stop the protest. This is the democracy. This is the that's how we raise the voice. Okay. And more, if you want to know how we raise the voice, go and look at the pulia. Remember the days of NRC and CAA. Next thing, Safia and Sophia. Safia Hashmi and Sophia. They said about the monarchy. In monarchy, what happens, that no one gets the chance to be the monarch. But in democracy, you can be the ruler. You can rule in the country. Is it like it is cup of tea that I have to go and take? No, it's not that easy. I have to spend a lot of money. I need to be rich, and I will have to pay money, and that would be corruption. And next thing, if it happens also that everyone can be the ruler on the country, by this what is happening? Unexperienced and illiterate leadership is being promoted. We have a current example of our PM Modi ji. Okay. Yes, you speak.
Okay, brother, I agree with you. But similarly, it's happening in monarchy. Like in North Korea, there's a King Jong he's a dictator. What he's doing? If anyone asks to question from them, so he kill the people. So it is the monarchy. It is monarchy.
Okay,
And
brother.
listen. I want to give an example of Saudi Arabia. Now, in Saudi Arabia, Salman bin Abdul Aziz bin Abdul Rahman bin Faisal bin Turki bin अबे भाई क्या हो रहा है Okay. So listen, in Saudi Arabia there is a king, Salman bin Abdul Aziz bin Abdul Rahman bin Turki bin Faisal bin Turki bin Abdullah bin Muhammad bin Saud is ruling in Saudi Arabia. His father was Abdul Aziz bin Abdul Rahman Al Saud. What he did? He did unification. What he did? He unified the various regions of the Saudi Arabia and established a strong central government.
Okay.
Because of that, all the people came together. But now what is happening? The Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud, what is doing? He's opening the bar in the Saudi Arabia. He's opening the movie theater in Saudi Arabia. He's giving the license to the women. Because of that, what is happening? Women's and people are becoming so-called liberal. So what is this, brother?
Okay, brother. As you mentioned about Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. Okay. So as you mentioned about the recent, what is he's king there, he's monarch there,
monarch
and he
there.
opened theater and bars there. So what is the how tell me, how is this the fault of monarchy? Is this written in their constitution? No. Next thing, people are from this team mentioning we have constitution in our in our democracy. Do you have constitution? Do you have fundamental rights? So I would like to tell, yes, we have. Like in some countries there is constitutional monarchy and federalism, like Australia, Germany, Canada, and many more countries are there where constitution is available as well as monarchy system is also available. Why this what happens, that people have rights. It's not like 90s, 80s, or 2000 BC that our king is there who is ruling, whatever he is doing let him do. No, it is modern era, so we have to change ourselves. And in earlier also it was not like it from starting all the kings were cruel, all the kings were dictator. No,
Brother.
there were some good kings also, like Akbar, Shah Jahan. It is said that when Akbar was ruling, okay, when Akbar was in power, he was monarch, so people were happy a lot. The Shoaib Bhai from this team is coming and mentioning 37 countries are there where monarchy system is available today.
Democracy, brother.
37.
Brother, 38 countries have democracy, full democracy, and 37 countries have mixed democracy.
And monarchy.
And monarchy only 43 countries have, and
So-
only 5 full countries have which has full monarchy.
What is the meaning of full monarchy? Tell me this, brother. That what does it mean? Like a king is dictator there, a king is just cruel, is just beating the people. No, brother, that's not the complete
Brother, it's
monarchy.
complete.
Let me.
You
Okay,
know,
okay, brother.
North
Okay,
Korea,
listen,
about
listen,
North Korea.
listen. Let me answer to Junaid Bhai, Junaid Malik. He mentioned. No, he mentioned kings didn't used to investigate earlier. Like he was there. Okay. Like he saw a live king in front of his eyes that yeah, no investigation is there. Well, I would like to say earlier when kings were there, so there were hard and fast rules. Like if there is someone who has done wrong, so he was punished at that time. Like we can take the example of Saudi Arabia. Whenever a rape happens there, within some hours, a neck is cut of the rapist. Does this happen in your country, in your so-called democracy? No. Kolkata case happened with a doctor. Still, there is no judgment. There is not justice for her. And people have forgotten. People don't talk about that. What would you say about this? This is the democracy. This is the democracy. What is the benefit of these 37 countries, these 45 countries, or 100 countries, whatever it is, as much as it is? When people are not safe, people are not raising their voice, and there is no justice for the people. Tell.
Okay, brother.